As I came on um, tonight around 6:45, I had a vision, and it was a short vision. And what I saw was a major explosion, and it was a bright light, and it was coming or emanating from a skyscraper. And I said, Lord, have mercy. And so we want to pray for divine protection on tonight. And also, before coming on um, our revival service tonight, I've heard many uh, stories of people who are suffering from a virus. And I have been sort of watching this virus. It started in other countries. And in particular, it came to my attention that people in China were being impacted by this new virus, aggressive virus. And in China, the children are being significantly impacted right now. And if you're just tuning in for the first time, you just found our channel and you just found this recording and you're asking, what is Goshen? I'm glad you asked. Before the night is over, you will know what Goshen is.